Hello children, good morning. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Children, have you had your breakfast? You had your breakfast. What do you eat today? What items do you eat today? Yes. Have you done your homework? Children, have you done your homework? What we discussed in the last class? Children, what we discussed in the last class? Yes.
Children, in the last class we have discussed about Kudiyattam, Chakyarkooth and Mohiniyattam. Now I will ask some questions. Children, are you ready? Yes. First one, which is an ancient temple art of Kerala? Which is an ancient temple art of Kerala? Say loudly. Do you answer? Yes. Yes, sit down. Kudiyattam is an ancient temple art of Kerala. Second one, who is the male actor of Kudiyattam? Who knows this answer? Please say answer. Yes, very good. Sit down. Chakyar is the male actor of Kudiyattam. Third one, who is the female actor of Kudiyattam? Do you answer? Yes, please say. Yes. Nangyar is the female actor of Kudiyattam. Who is the female actor of Kudiyattam? Yes, Nangyar is the female actor of Kudiyattam. The next one. What is Mohiniyattam also known as? What is Mohiniyattam also known as? Please answer. Yes, say loudly. Yes, Mohiniyattam is also known as Dasiyattam. Mohiniyattam is also known as Dasiyattam. The last one. What are the features of Mohiniyattam? What are the features of Mohiniyattam? Who knows this answer? Do you answer? Yes, please answer it. Yes, very good. Sit down. Mohiniyattam is an old temple dance form of Kerala. Mohiniyattam is usually performed in the open air by young women dancers. The body movements and gestures are set to the tune of music. Students, do you study these answers? Yes, very good. Children, today we are going to discuss about Kathakali, Ottantullal, Yakshagana, Margangali. What are they? Kathakali, Ottantullal, Yakshagana and Margangali. First of all, I say about Kathakali. All students say loudly, Kathakali. Yes, Kathakali is the famous dance form of Kerala. Kathakali is the famous dance form of Kerala. Which is the famous dance form of Kerala? All students say loudly. Which is the famous dance form of Kerala? Yes, Kathakali is a famous dance form of Kerala. It is actually a dance drama. It is actually a dance drama. It is mostly performed by men. It is mostly performed by men or a male dance form exclusively of Kerala. Kathakali is a male dance form exclusively of Kerala. It is usually staged at night. Kathakali is usually staged at night. The actors of Kathakali do not speak. They act through suitable gestures of their hands and facial expressions. All students listen to me very carefully. The Kathakali actors do not speak to audience, but they act through suitable gestures of their hands and facial expressions. The songs are sung by singers from the background. The songs are sung by singers or from the background. The actors wear traditional dress and ornaments. It consists of 5 arts forms. Means Kathakali consists of 5 arts forms: literature, music, painting, acting and dance. It is the king of performing arts, particularly of theatre. Pacha, Katti, Kari, Tadi and Minukku are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali. Students, listen to me. Which are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali? All students say loudly. What are they? What are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali? Yes, Pacha, Katti, Kari, Tadi and Minukku are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali. Katti means knife, Pacha means green, Tadi means beard, Minukku means radiant and Kari means black. Radiant means bright or shining, Pragasham. All students can understand what are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali. All students say once again, say loudly. What are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali? Yes, Pacha, Katti, Kari, Tadi and Minukku are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali. Kathakali is called the king of art. Kathakali is called the king of arts. Which is called the king of arts? What students say loudly? Which is called the king of arts? Yes, Kathakali is called the king of arts. The great poet Vallathol Narayana Menon made Kathakali is a popular art. Do you know who is the Vallathol Narayana Menon? Yes, Vallathol Narayana Menon was a great poet of Kerala. He founded the Kerala Kalamandalam at Cherthuruthi in Thrissur district. What was founded by Vallathol Narayana Menon? Yes, he founded the Kerala Kalamandalam at Cherthuruthi in Thrissur district. At Kalamandalam, training is given in the art of Kathakali. At Kalamandalam, training is given in the art of Kathakali. Means Kathakali has 5 divisions of makeup: Pacha, Katti, Kari, Tadi and Minukku. One of the major distinguishing features of Kathakali is the absence of oral communication. All students can understand about Kathakali. Once again I say, which is the famous dance form of Kerala? Yes, Kathakali is the famous dance form of Kerala. Kathakali is staged at night. The actors of Kathakali do not speak. They act through suitable gestures of their hands and facial expressions. What are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali? Yes, Pacha, Katti, Kari, Tadi and Minukku are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali. Which is called the king of arts? Which is called the king of arts? Students say loudly. Yes, Kathakali is called the king of arts. Children, here are one questions. What are the features of Kathakali? What are the features of Kathakali? Answer is, Kathakali is the famous dance form of Kerala. Kathakali is called the king of arts. The actors of Kathakali do not speak, but they act through suitable gestures of their hands and facial expressions. Pacha, Katti, Kari, Tadi and Minukku are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali. All students can understand about what are the features of Kathakali. Children, you observe this video. Next, we have discussed about Ottentullal. All students say loudly, Ottentullal. Yes, Ottentullal is another classical art form of Kerala. Which is a classical art form of Kerala? All students say loudly. Yes, Ottentullal is another classical art form of Kerala. Kunjan Nambyar is the father of Ottentullal. Who is the father of Ottentullal? Yes, Kunjan Nambyar is the father of Ottentullal. Ottentullal is a comedic dance and poetic performance form of Kerala, India. It was introduced in the 18th century by Kunjan Nambyar. It was introduced in the 18th century by Kunjan Nambyar. It is performed by single actor. It is performed by single actor. How many actors can participate in Ottentullal? Yes, it is performed by a single actor. One person only performed in Ottentullal. He sings Tullal songs and also dances. He sings Tullal songs and also dances. It is a satirical in nature. It is a satirical means ആക്ഷേപഹാസ്യത്തോടെ. Satirical in nature. Ottentullal is enjoyed by everybody. Ottentullal is enjoyed by everybody. Who is the father of Ottentullal? Yes, Kunjan Nambyar is the father of Ottentullal. Ottentullal is a classical art form of Kerala. All students can understand about Ottentullal. Students, please observe this video.
നാരായണ ജയ 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 നാരായണ ജയ. കോഴിക്കോട്ടൊരു കോയാക്കാന്റെ മക്കളിലൊരുവൻ കുഞ്ഞിക്കാദർ. കോഴിക്കോട്ടൊരു കോയാക്കാന്റെ മക്കളിലൊരുവൻ കുഞ്ഞിക്കാദർ. വീടും സ്ഥലവും പണയം വെച്ചിട്ടൊടുവിൽ അങ്ങനെ ഗൾഫിലുമെത്തി. വീടും സ്ഥലവും പണയം വെച്ചിട്ടൊടുവിൽ അങ്ങനെ ഗൾഫിലുമെത്തി. വിസ ഏജന്റ് പറഞ്ഞൊരു ജോലി കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ പണിയാണെന്നത്രേ. വിസ ഏജന്റ് പറഞ്ഞൊരു ജോലി കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ പണിയാണെന്നത്രേ. അവിടെ ചെന്ന് കിട്ടിയ പണിയോ കമ്പിപ്പണിയാണയ്യോ കഷ്ടം. അവിടെ ചെന്ന് കിട്ടിയ പണിയോ കമ്പിപ്പണിയാണയ്യോ കഷ്ടം. അരി വാങ്ങേണം, തുണി വാങ്ങേണം, തട്ടിയും മുട്ടിയും ജീവിക്കണം. അരി വാങ്ങേണം, തുണി വാങ്ങേണം, തട്ടിയും മുട്ടിയും ജീവിക്കണം. എട്ടണയെങ്കിൽ കിട്ടണ എട്ടണ ചിലവാക്കാതെ ബാങ്കിലിടണം. എട്ടണയെങ്കിൽ കിട്ടണ എട്ടണ ചിലവാക്കാതെ ബാങ്കിലിടണം. അങ്ങനെ കരുതി അങ്ങനെ കരുതി നിൽക്കണ നേരം ആണ്ടേ പോണൊരു റഷ്യക്കാരി. നാരായണ ജയ നാരായണ ജയ നാരായണ ജയ നാരായണ ജയ നാരായണ.
Students, next I say about Yakshagana. Yakshagana is a temple art. It is a dance drama like Kathakali. Yakshagana is a dance drama like Kathakali. This is a popular in the Kasaragod district. It is a very ancient form of art. Yakshagana is a very ancient form of art. Means Yakshagana is one of the most popular folk theatre forms of Karnataka. Which state dance is Yakshagana? Yes, state of Karnataka. Kannada is language used in Yakshagana. Which is the language used in Yakshagana? Students, please answer. Yes, Kannada is the language used in Yakshagana. It is noted for its music, colorful costumes, vigorous dance movements, etc. The actors of Yakshagana speak on the stage. The actors of Yakshagana speak on the stage. Pathasubba, who belongs to Kumbala of Kasaragod district, is regarded as the father of Yakshagana. Students, listen to me very carefully. Who is regarded as the father of Yakshagana? Yes, Pathasubba is regarded as the father of Yakshagana. Which is a temple art or which is a dance drama like Kathakali? Yes, Yakshagana is a temple art and it is a dance drama like a Kathakali. All students, you observe this video. Children, next I say about Margangali. Margangali is a traditional group dance of Christian women. Which is a traditional group dance of Christian women? Yes, Margangali is a traditional group dance of Christian women. There may be about a dozen participants in Margangali. There may be about a dozen participants means 12 members participants in Margangali. It is performed to commemorate the 12 disciples of Jesus Christ. Means it is performed to commemorate means അനുസ്മരിക്കുക. 12 disciples means ശിഷ്യന്മാർ ഓഫ് ജീസസ് ക്രൈസ്റ്റ്. The life and services of St. Thomas is the theme of Margangali. What is the theme of Margangali? The life and service of St. Thomas is the theme of Margangali. It is performed by men. It is also performed by men. The participants move around a lighted brass lamp, singing and clapping their hands. The participants move around a lighted brass lamp, singing and clapping their hands. Means Margangali is an ancient Indian round dance of the St. Thomas Christian community based in Kerala state. Margangali is performed mainly by women on festive occasions, especially during the time of marriage. The dance is performed 12 members moving in a circle around a lighted lamp. The songs of the Margangali are composed in modern Malayalam. The dancers sing themselves while performing the dance. All students can understand about Margangali. Students, you observe this video. Children, now I give some homework for you. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, which art form is known as King of Art? Which art form is known as King of Art? Second one, what are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali? What are the 5 divisions of makeup in Kathakali? Third one, what are the features of Kathakali? Next one, who is the father of Ottantullal? Who is the father of Ottantullal? Next, who is regarded as the father of Yakshagana? The last one, which is a traditional group dance of Christian women? Which is a traditional group dance of Christian women? Now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.